pa isa dun sa pagihad ng kalarong pambansa. Meron ba tayong mga players dun sa composition right now na tatamaan nung concept of
Ang balita ko wala naman daw. I think the final roster, although nasa ano na si LA, I think he has a pool of 16 that he's playing with, that he's practicing with. And parang okay naman, wala naman conflict.
There were 16 players, ilan yung makakatala?
Final 12. 12. Like any FIBA tournament, it will be cut down to 12. I think the deadline will be 1 or 2 weeks before the tournament.
Sinong makakalaban natin sa finals?
Hindi ko alam, kahit sino sa kanila.
Sir, what's live ba? Live ba yung mga games?
Well, we have this arrangement with Signal, so they'll be airing it live in all their platforms. So I think we'll see the games live.
Coach, knowing LA and Gabe, veteran ng maraming international tournament, pag nagpa-practice ba sila, gano'n nila tinutulak yung mga batang to? Kasi yung mga batang to, yun ang susunod na gilas eh, di ba?
Oh, well, like what I said, I'm really sorry, but I've not seen them practice. I intend to visit nga. Kasi nga, I've been focused on putting this event together. So, hindi ko pa talaga nabibisita yung team. Bayaan ko sila na munang bahala sa pag-form ng team.
Meron ba tayong mga special presentation, may opening ceremony?
We'll do away with the opening ceremonies. We will have the medal awarding at the last day. And siguro may break yan eh. So may break yan. So I think we'll probably we'll have a dinner. Parang sa FIBA meron mga normally may welcome dinner for the team. So that's what we'll probably have.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Sir.
Yes.
Okay. Coach.
Yes.
Thank you for being here. My question is this. Usually, the international events like this are hosted here in Manila. But what's the inside story on? Because I heard this was first supposed to be staged in Batangas, in Nagas, Pampanga. And what's the inside story on why it's being held in the provinces instead of here in Metro Manila?
Well, one, I think Manila's really it's a busy place, no? And it's also good to have the provinces or the other cities in the country to experience also the hosting, to see how international events are conducted. And also, it is not the first time that the SBP is hosting events outside of Metro Manila. We've had in Clark, we've had before in Cagayan de Oro. So, para lang magkaroon ng konting movement, magkaroon ng konting sharing of the hosting experience. Kasi we'll be, even for the volunteers, we intend to tap the local citizens, the local people of San Fernando, Pampanga.
And then secondly, just to clarify, what is the age cut-off for this tournament board when?
Naku, the technical aspect, I leave it to the Gilas program heads, no? I'm just U16, so 19 or 2009 siguro or 2008. I have to defer that to the technical group.
So, since we're dealing here with 16-year-olds, we're talking here kids who are what? More or less grade 10? Grade 10, grade 11?
When you're 16, yeah, you're about, well, ako kasi, ako pa yung mga second year, third year. So mga second year, first to third year high school, so That's grade 10 below.
Thank you.
Questions? Jenny Ramos.
Sir Butch, good morning.
Good morning, Jeff.
Sir, may ano na ba kung sinong unang team na kalaban natin ng schedule na ito?
I knew you were gonna answer that. Vietnam.
Mga Vietnam.
Ganito, the Philippines will be playing the last game, obviously, in each of the playing days. Each playing day will have a triple header, and ang start niya, ay, ang start niya is, our games will always be at 7:30. Okay, and we play Vietnam and kukunin ko lang parang buo ha.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Thank you.
So always main game, yung Team Philippines. Siyempre tayong host. 7:30 in the evening. So mga yung first game niya ay ano yan?
And our first game will be Vietnam. Our second game will be Thailand. Third game will be against Singapore. Fourth game will be versus Indonesia. And our last elimination game will be at versus Malaysia. So our first game starts at 2 p.m. and then tayo we always play at 7. So we have tatlong games all together, and then hopefully, di ko alam kung sino magiging kalaban natin, pero siguro bahala na sila, di ba?
Pero sa tingin mo, Sir Butch, sino sa mga teams na yun na nabanggit mo yung
Well, normally right now ng mga nag-improve ang programa are Indonesia and Thailand. So baka doon ano. Pero if you look at the rankings naman, I guess it's obvious based on ranking we are the highest ranked team. So next ata is Indonesia. So if based on ranking, pero yun nga, alam mo naman sa youth, until you see them play, wala pa, I don't know kung may na-scout na dyan eh. Kasi may mga puro bago as what I heard with LA's team. Kaya, well, that's why I wanna see them play one. Probably I'll go to their practice this week. Kasi raw puro bago. I mean, syempre puro bago sila, pero yung talagang mga fresh faces, so which is good.
may mga special guest ba during the opening ceremonies?
Wala na tayong opening ceremonies. We will have a dinner. Tutulungan tayo mag-host ni Gov Pineda, and whoever comes will be there. We'll invite siguro si Gov Dicky if he can, si Chairman Dicky if he can come. Of course, expect the SBP officials to be there. But hopefully nandun sila Sir Alex.
Sir, hindi ko lang alam if you're privy to this, but I heard magkakaroon niya, magkaano ng camp na yung Gilas Youth Team doon before
Ayun na, sorry, papaalam.
Yeah.
Dapat kasi, may practice pa eh.
Sige lang, okay lang.
Ah.
Last, sir, may mga kumbaga, ipapasyal ba yung mga teams, mga iba-ibang countries around
Well, that's the plan, pero ang problema kasi there is one day, free day, no? And that's where we plan to host the event, no? That's gonna be on the 27th. Yun yung meron kaming parang cultural dinner. Hindi ko alam kung makakaikot sila kasi pag off day, based on experience ko before, yung mga coaches would rather practice rather than go around and sightsee. Pero, yun na nga, we'll try to see if we can make something special for them to experience na lang. Dun sa off day nila.
Papatigim niyo ba sila ng mga
Sisi,
ano-ano?
bubusugin natin lahat. Then, no, I guess, siguro dun sa gabi natin ng ano alam mo naman, we're in Pampanga, so we have to expect the best Kapampangan food to be served. And I'm sure sisig is part of the, part of the, ano yan, part of the fair.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
First time ba na 6 yung mention?